Differences between research paper, research article, and term paper. Research paper versus research article versus term paper. Research paper mainly presents an advancement in a field, whereas research article can be more general, not tied to a specific project, but generalizing a bit to give context to other work and bring it together. Whereas term paper is a research paper written by students over an academic term, accounting for a large part of a grade. The aim of research paper is to show a student how to enter the stream of discourse within an academic community and also give you experience in manipulating raw data and information, formulating informed opinions, and learning how others in your field use primary and secondary resources. Whereas the aim of research article is to add your results to the permanent domain of scientific knowledge, the scientific record. Unlike a slide presentation or poster presentation, the work published in a research article is durable and immutable. Whereas the aim of term paper is to describe an event, or a concept, or argue a point. A term paper is a written original work discussing a topic in detail, usually several typed pages in length, and is often due at the end of a semester. Takes the format of an academic work also known as the research paper outline, such as abstract, introduction, method, results and discussions, conclusion, and references. Instructors can assign time at the beginning of a term in research paper, whereas the format of research article includes abstract, introduction, literature review, methodology, results and discussion, conclusions and bibliography or references list. Whereas you will need to write it using an outline for a term paper. Time assigned for term paper is in the middle or at the end of a given study or term. For research paper, longer assignment that takes weeks or even months to complete. Whereas, for research article, take longer time to complete, let's say 10 weeks. Whereas, has a shorter deadline, usually between a day to a week in term paper. Research paper focuses on solving a particular problem. Whereas, research article focuses mainly on describing a study that was performed by the article's authors. It explains methodology of the study, such as how data was collected and analyzed, and clarifies what the results mean. Each step of the study is reported in detail so that other researchers can repeat the experiment. Whereas, term paper focuses on examining the level of the student's knowledge after studying a certain topic or module. In short, research paper is an academic document that involves the systematic investigation of a specific research topic. It requires comprehensive research to collect and analyze relevant data, form a hypothesis, and draw meaningful conclusions. Research paper can often be written to support a hypothesis. Research paper doesn't always have an influence on a student's final grades. The length of research paper can vary and it's often not less than 5 pages. Whereas, research article is a primary source, that is, it reports the methods and results of an original study performed by the authors. The kind of study may vary, it could have been an experiment, survey, interview, etc. But in all cases, raw data have been collected and analyzed by the authors, and conclusions drawn from the results of that analysis. Whereas, term paper is a form of academic writing that requires extensive research and focus on a particular subject. It's an assignment that college students are expected to complete at the end of an academic term. Term paper can support a thesis statement. Term paper influence a student's overall grade. Term paper can be as short as 1 page. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.